Hello guys, so welcome to my channel. So okay, the quick question, have you ever looked at your jewelry that felt like you have so much but still nothing feel exciting to wear? Same. So that's exactly what I'm making this video today, because I'm going to show you how this one simple chain can completely transform your look using all those old unused pieces you are probably forgotten about. So jewelry, I'm talking about rings, earrings, clip, clutcher, and all those things which we don't wear anymore. So honestly, if you go out and try to buy these pieces, they can be super expensive, right? In this video, I'll show you different ways to style this one chain for different occasions. Casually, dressy, even statement looks. Actually elevate your entire outfit. So let's start.
So this is my ring. Instead of wearing it in a finger, I am adding it into my chain like this. So look at it and instantly become a minimal aesthetic pendant. And this is perfect for everyday wear. So next I am taking this small claw clips. Yes, a clip. So look at this. It is tiny star shaped, and once I add it in a chain, it literally looked like a unique statement pendant. I love how playful and different this feels. Now look at this, it creates such a clean personalized pendant and with my name and small little hoop earring in it. And this is perfect for office wear and formal looks. Similarly, this is also one of my favorite, where this is a earring basically on when I'm going office or just a casual outing, and this looks very amazing here. Okay, so for this look I am using these slightly dangling hoop earrings. So you know, ये थोड़ी सी लटकने वाली जो होती हैं, and these are in orange and black. So this is perfect if you're going to the vacation, even if you want to add a little fun element to your office and everyday look. Okay, this one is definitely my favorite. So this is basically a snake designed clip, and look at this, it gives such a bold, edgy and slightly sexy vibe. This snake design make it feel very statement, very stylish, classy, and something you would actually spot in. Now there's the long yellow golden earrings. This look very vibrant, something that really stand out. I would personally style this with something like a plain white top, black outfit, and even ethnic wear. So I'm using a white seashell beach style anklet. So we can wear it with pearl earring and it will create a very boho vibe. So last one is also with this earring, and I'm layering it with one more chain here. And now,
So the best part about all of this, you didn't spend anything extra. You're just recycling what you already own. New jewelry. Just pick one chain, open your old collection and start experimenting. Because sometimes it's not just about having more, it's about styling smarter. Please do like, share and subscribe. Now tell me, which is your favorite? Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.